With sea level rise linked to temperature changes, the threat of sea level rise is damaging or complete disappearance of coastal cities, infrastructures, and ecosystems. There will be more floods, storms, and intense hurricanes. There is also the effect of saltwater incursion into coastal rivers and aquifers, which will deplete our water supply to extreme levels. Without enough water to supply agriculture and the human populations, there will be food shortages and famine. With sea melting at a fast rate and temperatures rising, and with land use changing, there will be a lot of shortages and devastation worldwide. We won't be able to supply the growing population. One good example of this is in Venice, Italy. In most parts of Venice, the city is basically underwater already. With the land slowly decreasing due to land subsidence and with the sea level rise due to climate change, the future prediction predicts that along with the forecasted devastating storm surges, Venice will sink and be completely wiped out. Even with the building of sea barriers and trying to keep as much water out, the land is slowly decreasing, causing major floods, destroying ancient buildings and artifacts, and causing the people of Venice a lot of problems to live there. Another future threat would be the migration of these people to other cities that won't have the significant needs to supply them, with causing shortages which can lead to civil unrest. The future of Venice does not look good. Even with technological advances, and if we slow down CO2 emissions, the city will still be underwater.